When small and medium-sized businesses look for an all-in-one marketing platform, two names usually rise to the top: HubSpot Marketing Hub and ActiveCampaign. Both promise to make marketing easier by combining email automation, customer relationship management, and analytics in one place. But even though they sound similar, they are built with different kinds of teams in mind. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the best fit for your business. HubSpot Marketing Hub is part of the larger HubSpot ecosystem, which means it connects naturally with HubSpot's customer relationship management system, sales tools, and service hub. The moment you start using it, everything feels tightly integrated. You can track leads from the first website visit to the final sale without switching between different platforms. That kind of visibility is perfect for small businesses that want to see the full customer journey in one view. What makes HubSpot Marketing Hub stand out is its simplicity and polish. The interface is clean, the setup is guided, and you do not need to be a tech expert to get results. It gives you tools for email marketing, landing pages, lead capture forms, social media scheduling, and campaign tracking. You can segment your audience, automate follow-ups, and personalize messages based on behavior. Everything is designed to help you create meaningful connections with your leads and customers. Now let's look at ActiveCampaign. While HubSpot feels like a full marketing suite, ActiveCampaign focuses more on intelligent email automation and customer engagement. It combines customer relationship management, email marketing, and automation in a way that feels personal and adaptable. It is built to help small and medium businesses communicate like big brands without the complexity of enterprise software. ActiveCampaign's biggest strength is its automation engine. You can build detailed customer journeys using triggers, conditions, and actions that respond to how people interact with your business. For example, if someone opens an email, visits your site, or abandons a cart, you can automatically follow up with the right message at the right time. This kind of behavior-driven automation helps businesses deliver a personal experience at scale. Both tools are excellent and have loyal followings for good reason. HubSpot Marketing Hub is like having an entire marketing department in one clean dashboard. It is powerful, comprehensive, and built for long-term growth. ActiveCampaign is like having an expert email strategist on call. It is fast, flexible, and focused on building relationships through smart automation. For most small and medium-sized businesses, the choice comes down to priorities. If you want breadth and scalability, go with HubSpot. If you want precision and automation power, go with ActiveCampaign. Either way, both platforms make marketing easier, smarter, and more effective for growing businesses.